only to welcome you back. The Chief Executive Officer of Tourism Fiji, Mr. Matthew Stoker, our friends and special guests, the participating guests. Ladies and gentlemen, the chiefs of the people of Vanuatu Rangamani, Golonga, our invited guests, our kind sponsors, our volunteers, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Nsambul Vinaka, a very good evening to you all. I'm very deeply honored and privileged to be here this evening to officially close the 2018 Mulua Fiji Interhash event that was held here in Nadi from May the 25th until today. I'm told that this biannual event has been a tremendous success, and I can see it. It certainly is a milestone for Fiji and the hash community in this country, as this is Fiji's inaugural Interhash event, as you've heard from Dr. Rani. Now, for the first time in almost 10 years, the event has moved out of Asia to an island nation in the Pacific region. I certainly hope that this is not going to be the last time. I'd like to thank you for your support in choosing Fiji to be the venue for this year's event. Now, as we bring this event to an end, I would like to thank the honorable ministers of the Fijian government for availing themselves to officiate at the various events over the past few days. And for your information, ladies and gentlemen, I've just flown back this afternoon. About an hour ago, I was rushing back to be with you tonight. Also like to thank in particular all the Hashers, all of you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for your participation. I hope that you have experienced some of the best of what our beloved nation Fiji has to offer. Our food, our culture, the local scenery, and most importantly, our Fijian hospitality. Through the Interhash, we have welcomed for the first time more than about 1,700 guests in a single event. We have hashes from almost 60 countries around the world, as we've heard. You may be a long way away from home, but I hope that being here in Fiji over the last couple of days, you've made some new friends, you've formed some new friendships, networked, and I hope that you feel very much at home away from home. Now, we trust that you've enjoyed running through the 8 sites from Momi to Longolongo. In some of our greener and beautiful terrain, and I'm delighted that we were able to showcase a part of Fiji to you all over the last couple of days. Now, thank you all for raising close to 40,000 Fijian dollars. That's a lot of money. Thank you. Now, this will contribute to upgrading of the Nadi Hospital. I thank you most sincerely on behalf of all Fijians for supporting this worthy cause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, tourism continues to be the country's largest foreign exchange earner and a significant contributor to the Fijian economy. And 2017, for the first time in the history of our country, we exceeded 800,000 mark in visitor arrivals, and we recorded about $1.8 billion in tourism revenues. The tourism industry employs about 1 in every 3 Fijians in the workforce and contributes to approximately 30% of our gross domestic product. Now, in order to continue the unprecedented levels of growth in the sector and the trickle-down effect of the benefits of the grassroots communities will encourage a diversification of quality activities and events across locations within Fiji. And over the years, we have successfully hosted a number of international sports events, including the Fiji International Golf Tournament, the Super Rugby and Fiji Pro Surf, to name just a few. Now we are pleased to add the InterHash event to this prestigious lineup. Now this has certainly established Fiji as a destination that offers not only the sun, the sea and surf, but also adventure and sports. We indeed have a lot to offer to discerning visitors. Ladies and gentlemen, as you may be aware, as I've said, I've just returned from Nauru this past hour, where I officiated at the University of South Pacific's Nauru campus the inaugural graduation ceremony in my capacity as a Chancellor of our university. Now, I've been looking forward to joining you today, largely because I wanted to thank you all for being here to promote health and wellness. Well, as a former Hasher myself, I am fully aware of the benefits of running with like-minded people like you. I've got to tell you want to know where it was. This was way back in Australia when I was a student many years ago, down in a lovely place called Queenstown. That's another story. Now, people who are focused on enjoying life through traveling, meeting new friends, experiencing new cultures, while at the same time placing emphasis on maintaining good health. Like William. It is also through this event, ladies and gentlemen, that I want to pass on a more serious message to our fellow Fijians, and I'm sure our friends like you as well. A quick search of the world's health statistics reveal that Fiji now has one of the highest rates of non-communicable diseases or NCD-related deaths per capita in the world. Sadly, that is a hard fact of life for this country. Now, over 80% of deaths in this country are NCD-related, non-communicable disease-related. Choices we make. Now, through NCDs like diabetes, we lose or leave every 8 hours now. And we use over about $400 million annually on NCD-related treatments. This is such an alarming situation, it must be reversed and stopped. NCDs are present and clear danger to Fiji. They are a scourge and a threat to our people, not only here in Fiji, but also around the Pacific. In fact, the World Health Organization has revealed that NCDs are very high across the Pacific. And so whilst I was in Nauru, I chose to put on my hat as Fiji's lead advocate and champion in the campaign to eliminate NCDs and to walk right around the island this morning. And this, just under 20 kilometers. So, good man. Nauru's police commissioner joined my wife and I in walking the same distance this morning and some of his fellow police officers. We were blessed with the opportunity provided by the people in Nauru. Lovely sunshine up here, and I believe it will save me. And the police commissioner has pledged to continue the walk as part of his campaign against NCDs, and importantly, to ensure that his officers, men and women, are in great shape for their nation. Now here in Fiji, I wish to call on all leaders in society, including especially the parents and young people who join me, and our national leaders in the campaign to reduce NCDs in this country. With consistency, you will not only improve your health, but you will also join health-conscious groups like all of you. and enjoy traveling and meeting new friends. Now, together we could reduce the cost of treating NCD-related illness and channel these funds to other much needed areas in our communities like education, youth development, and sports, among many others. Now, together we could help build sustainable and healthy communities. And together we could build a healthy nation and a healthy global community. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for making the 2018 Interhash a resoundingly successful event. To the organizers, the Nandi Hash, Fijian government, Tourism Fiji, all the sponsors, the volunteers, and especially all you good people from around the world. Thank you most sincerely for making this another opportunity to address what really matters in life. Some 4 days ago, many of you arrived from your respective countries for Fiji streams. Some of you are back here for the second and third time. Today you stand amongst your fellow Hashis from different parts of the country and the world, and Fijians who have now become, I hope, your lifelong friends.
Yay!
When you return to your home countries, we hope you will take with you fond memories of your time spent here in Fiji. And as we bid you farewell, we wish you all safe journeys back home. Enjoy your evening, and we hope to see you again in Fiji for another entertaining Hash event. We have not been this in 2 times. It is now with much pleasure that I declare the 2018 Fiji Interhash officially closed. Now I will thank you all, and may God bless you.